Hi, I'm Erin with Homeschool Connections. We're here today with Dr. Carol Reynolds. Carol, great to have you here.
I'm glad to be here with you.
Yeah, and we're here to discuss your courses. You have a number of courses here at Homeschool Connections. Go ahead and tell us about them.
Okay, well, these are high school courses that I've so far done for Homeschool Connections, and they fit into different categories. They are history courses or courses that are part of a fine arts, humanities, or in one case, religious studies components. So they can be pretty flexible in terms of the curricular values. I began a number of years ago. The years are mounting up now, but with our signature,
right?
yeah, that happens, doesn't it? But with Discovering Music, which is our signature course here at Professor Carol, which covers European, Russian, and American music, culture, and the arts from 1600 to the First World War. Then we moved into something that's very close to my heart, Imperial Russia, Tsarist Russian history course that ends at the Bolshevik Revolution. And then a course that is kind of a jewel for us called Early Sacred Music, starting in the Old Testament time, music and culture and arts of the temple, and moving into 1400 where we stopped. And this semester, it's a 2-semester course that you can actually start at any point, either the first or the second semester, that is called America's Artistic Legacy. And it covers American history, arts, and culture from the Pilgrims, if you will, to about 1950. So that's the scope, as you would say, of what we have so far done with Homeschool Connection for high schoolers.
That's awesome. 4 great courses, but there's so much more that you have. I know that's right. Tell us about your website and what we call Professor Carol.
Well, that started, how things start. My husband and I started this idea in 2008. I had been a professor at SMU in music history, loving Texas, living there for a long time. We're now in North Carolina. And then we moved out to a ranch. We were raising goats and cows and doing all of that. And the technology really invited us to do this. And we started making courses around 2008, 2009. He said, let's do this one thing and see what happens. But it's blossomed. So we have courses in a lot of things also for younger students, and we put together things, for example, weekly digests that offer up insight into pieces of music that are we have about 250 of those, which my husband puts together, and they're very vivid with young performers and dynamic performances. And I write on the arts. We have an Advent calendar that if you're on our email list, you'll get daily through Advent, dealing with arts, history, and culture, and then other courses as well. And we're expanding a lot of events because the technology is allowing a lot of people to do pretty dynamic things that before we had airplanes to do,
Right.
So it's busy at Professor Carol, but in it all, I have to say Homeschool Connections is just one of the grandest things that I'm involved with.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, what I want to bring out too is that you have this amazing website and resources and all that you do over with Professor Carol. Is it professorcarol.com?
Professorcarol.com.
Awesome. Yes. And then you've brought that here to Homeschool Connections with some very special integration, right? Some meshing together. Tell me how that works with the classes.
Well, it's a traditional way to teach arts and culture, first of all. And I was taught by the World War II generation, the 1930s and 40s and 50s, who came to this country, who brought all that tradition with them. And they taught an integrated concept of history, arts, and culture. There was no such thing as a subject, Right. And then, of course, I'm blessed all those years of teaching university and colleagues in professional music making that I'm able to call in friends, former colleagues, students who now aren't 18 but are 48 conducting orchestras around the world. So all of our courses have a lot of live footage. And I could mention that I've been very blessed for 10 years, almost 10 years, to work for the Smithsonian a great deal of the year as we're basically a professor on tours. So when I'm out with my groups, I'm able to do a lot of location filming or set up filming that we'll do later. So there's a lot of people in our courses that I think your students will enjoy. It's not just me. I'm not, it's going to be all kinds of people, from performers and historians and theologians. You mentioned, courses, the Early Sacred Music course, we're tracked by the monks of St. Louis Abbey, who worked with us on that course, as well as filming it in Rome, Jerusalem, and where else do we film it? In Athens. So color that without the technology and my opportunities, I would not have been able to bring these things together.
Right. And the students actually get to engage with those courses at the website.
Yes.
And then come back with Homeschool Connections in your own class and have those discussions, right?
Yes, that's the way it works. instead of buying a text, if you do one of our courses, when I say one of my courses, or the courses through Homeschool Connections, you don't buy a text, you buy what I do, and you buy my lectures, so to speak, and at a very modest cost. And then you're basically off and running, and we go where we go, and then our weekly discussions with the students can be review, they can be a reinforcement, they can be new material, they can be discussion, we can be sharing ideas, and they're very lively because they're your students, and they are.
That's right. And this, you say, Professor Carol, it is so much like a university type model, right? Where you're getting all of this learning and information and have that discussion together, that integration, that application. Right?
That's the idea. And again, as I say, that is the tradition in Western culture. And it's marvelous to be able for many of us to resurrect in a way that tradition and bring it to a whole new audience, a whole new generation.
That's right. That's right. Tell me a little bit about you. Tell me something special, just so people here who are watching can connect and get a little bit about who you are.
Well, I've mentioned a lot of things already. I got the goats in, didn't I?
Right, you got the goats in.
I'm from Roanoke, Virginia, and never thought I'd end up in Texas, but I fell in love with things Russian as a 7th grader. I'm a pianist, organist, church organist most of my life, and I got a chance long ago to go study in the Soviet Union, which tells you how long ago that was, and really become a specialist in things Russian music and culture and history. That's been the guiding force in my life, really. There's no question about it. And coming up in those days too, it's a very, very different world. But now my husband and I, after all those other things and 2 kids and 3 grandkids, we now live in North Carolina, actually right outside of Winston-Salem, right near Bethania, historical Moravian village. So it's just been a blast. I have to tell you, I can't believe from Roanoke, Virginia, in my little street where we never went anywhere, that I've been so blessed with these opportunities.
And I love that you bring all of that passion, that love, all those experiences. I could just see in you all those experiences and travel, and everything that you've been involved in is bubbling out of you. And I just love that about you. And I know that students and parents are going to love that as well. If they want to know more about these courses, I know that they can find specifics in the catalog here at Homeschool Connections, right? Which is on the homepage of the website. If you just scroll down a little bit, it'll say live catalog and recorded catalog, and the information's in there. But I know that there's much more on your website, and they can contact you on the website, right? Go ahead and tell us about that.
Well, right, just professorcarol.com. I've got a contact in there. You contact former Carol at professorcarol.com. And I may have already mentioned this, but if you're on our email list, you'll get all these things, our advent calendar, things that no matter what your choices are, you'll be able to take advantage of some of the things we do at live webinars, things bringing opera to people who've never had a night at the opera. So we have a series called A Night at the Opera, and a series on art history, series on what makes composers who they are, and writers, Pushkin. I mean, it's just so interesting now, because I think people are just drinking in education, maybe more than ever. Do you find that, Erin, to be true?
I do. With the internet, the way that this type of interaction has exploded, and because of the world situation, how it's pushed us more into online learning, I think that the opportunities that have been here for a while are really now exploding and available, like your opportunities.
Well, thank you.
So I'm loving that you're here. Thank you so much for sharing about your classes, about your website, about you and who you are. And if you're watching this as a parent or a student, go ahead and check out these resources. If you have questions, you know how to get a hold of Professor Carol. And thank you, Carol, for being here today.
See you all soon. Okay.
Hope to see all of you in class.